Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial at The Marketing Guy. In one of my previous videos, I had promised to make a video explaining the Insights tab on a Facebook page, and this is what this video is going to be about. So let's get started. Once you go into the Insights section on a page, you're going to see a lot of these options on the left hand side, starting from overview, promotions, likes, reach. So let's go over each of them, and I'm going to show you what is the kind of data that you can expect to see and how you can make decisions for your page based on the data. Now, in the overview, you'll generally get a summary of your page, such as the actions on taken on the page by a user. This action is basically your call to action, the learn more button that we had added to the marketing guy. Page views, page likes, the reach of all your posts, um, your post engagement, the response rate to messages, average response time. These are fairly very self-explanatory things. You can see how many views your videos have received. Um, your 5 most recent posts are lined up here, and you can see the reach of each of those posts, the engagement it received in terms of reactions, comments, or shares, or clicks. You can boost your posts right from here. Pages to watch, so you can add a lot of different pages here which are essentially your competitors, and you can monitor their progress with respect to yours. You can check their number of page likes, um, what has been their improvement since last week, the number of posts they've made this week, and the engagement they're receiving on their page. So this is a very cool way of tracking your competitors. Let's go into promotions. Using the promotions tab, you can create ads. A lot of different kind of ads, but I'm not going to get into this because we will cover ads in much more detail. Let's move to likes. You can select any time span over which you would want to see your page likes. This graph right here is going to show you your total page likes over a period of time. Net likes is going to show you the likes which are organic or paid, the unlikes that you receive on your page on a daily basis, and then it will make a net likes graph for you. You can choose to see unlikes in more detail, or organic likes, or paid likes. Where your page likes happened, this will give you an idea of how you are receiving your page likes, whether it's through ad or your page or desktop, through APIs, other sources. So this will give you an idea of what's really working and giving you more page likes. Let's check out reach. Post reach gives you an idea of how many people your post is reaching um, every day, and it sort of divides into organic and paid, and as you can see on this page, all the reach is paid and there is nothing organic. You can check out the graph for the reactions, comments, and shares that you've received over time. So all these kinds of graphs basically give you an idea if you're moving into a positive direction or a negative direction. You can see what are the kind of reactions that you receive the most on your posts. You can see if people have hide or report as spam or unliked your page, and your total reach. Let's move into page views. You can check out the total views on your page on a daily basis. The people who viewed your page, you can check it by section, as in which tab have they viewed the most. So as you can see, the people only mostly come to the home page and rarely go to posts, about, reviews, or groups. You can segregate your audience by gender and sort of see if you have more female audience or male audience. As you can see, this page has more of a male audience in the age group of 18 to 34. So you can increase the time span and see the data by country, by city, by device. You can see the source of for people coming onto your Facebook page. Now let's check out actions on page. People who clicked on the action button. Again, for the marketing guy, the action button was the learn more button that we added, and it's right below the cover photo. People who clicked to get directions, people who clicked on the phone number, people who clicked on the website. These are different kind of actions that people can take on your page. Let's move into posts. So this is something I find very interesting. It divides the entire day and shows you at what point in a day are your users the most active. So as you can see for this page, I can see that the users are most active at about 8 p.m. in the evening. And it would make a lot of sense now to decide that I would schedule all my posts for 7 or 7:30 p.m. in the evening to ensure that when my users come online, they do get to see my posts. You can check out the posts that the page has published, and you can check out its reach, engagement. You can promote it from here. If you have events on your page, um, the events tab will give you a lot of idea about how engaging your event is, how many tickets were sold, the audience, and things like that. But this page has no events. There's a separate section for videos, which is going to show you the reach of your videos. As you can see, over different days, all of this is organic reach, and there is no paid reach that I have for videos on this page. If your videos were viewed for 10 seconds or more, this is the count. Let's move into people. Now this gives you an idea about the kind of people who've liked your page. As you can see, 74% of people liking my page are men and 26% is women. We can see the age groups. So now I know what is the kind of age group that I should be creating posts for when I look at this. And if you move into the country, city, language, I can see my likes come mostly from India, from the metropolitan cities in India like Mumbai, New Delhi, Bangalore, Pune. And the language preferred is obviously English. So I know that I should be making posts in English. I should be targeting Indians in the age group of 18 to 34 for my posts to be successful. Let's move on to local. Now local is something very interesting. It pinpoints my address on the map, and it shows me that when are people most active in that location. This can be used by local businesses like a restaurant to figure out if who are the kind of people who are around their restaurant and at what time of the day, what day of the week, and target them better. As you can see, this gives me a high performing day. Thursday, January 19, your ads reached 8% of people on Facebook within 165 feet of your business. So if someone is near my restaurant at a certain time of the day, I would want to target them immediately, right? It also divides this by an hourly time, a weekly, overall. You can see the check-ins people have made on your page. Lastly, moving into messages, you can see the total number of conversations I've had, how responsive the page is, the deleted conversations, spam conversations, or blocked conversations. So that's about it. This is all the insight that Facebook gives you into your audience, into the posts you've made, how engaging your posts are, and it sort of gives you a direction as to what is working, what is not working, and what you should do going forward. If you have any questions, please hit me up. You can comment it below. I'll definitely get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.